At LN, we're leading our industry into the future. Our handheld 3D scanning offers accessibility to smaller spaces quickly, capturing accurate data sets. Point clouds can be modeled in-house or sent to clients for their modeling needs. As-built records, verification, or remodeling. It's the perfect solution for building contractors, architects, and engineers. For larger projects, LN employs our stationary laser scanners. We save our clients time, money, and mitigate project risk by avoiding costly mistakes. LN delivers millimeter-level accuracy every time. By deploying infrared FLIR cameras across multiple platforms, we can detect and record mechanical failure, heat loss, and water infiltration, allowing us to pinpoint problem areas and report them to our clients. At the forefront of technology, our remotely piloted aircraft systems give LN the tactical advantage, positioning our UAVs high above any project, offering valuable visual reporting, volumetric survey, quality control, aerial imagery, marketing, and project progression. When operating in remote or hazardous locations, our fleet directly keeps workers out of harm's way, delivering mission-critical data, minimizing downtime, and providing an accurate, safe solution for our clients. This unique combination of technology, commitment, and industry knowledge allows LN to deliver the required deliverable to our clients. Proudly serving all industry sectors in Alberta and Western Canada. LN,